So I just crossed the Indian Road, and there's lots of stores here selling laptops and handphones. There are even people offering I don't know, burning some glossy papers. So it's a very local neighborhood, District 10. Oh, there's a church opposite. And now Ho Chi Minh has a free bus until the end of the year, 31st December. In Vietnam, many motorbikes, 80% of the citizens, they ride a motorbike. And even the kids learn it. So you can see sometimes illegal motorbike riding, the kids under 18 years old, and riding the motorbikes. And wear helmets some more. Sometimes you see 3 or 4 people on a motorbike. But in Singapore, you'll never see it because it's illegal. But here they don't really care. We are about 100 meters away now. There are many phone shops here. And the insane traffic continues. You know, the opposite, the bringing shop is actually a lottery. You can buy lottery from them. It's just our Singapore 40, Toto. Tadi, very so mean lottery, and Tadi is the agent. If I'm not wrong, there are plenty of karaoke in District 10, as well as bike service center over there. And they're selling the tea for 10,000 dong. If you want like a glimpse into the life of the locals in Saigon, Vietnam, you need to venture out of District 1. Because what you see in District 1 is the touristy area. Like we've been walking street, Saigon Central Post Office, Notre Dame Cathedral, Bentham Market. But here is the real touristy, real happening area of Vietnam, and we can already see the Van Han Mall right here already in front. And outside there are many restaurants, the Bun Thai with some kind of Thai rice noodles, and there are some like other Korean food as well. But very careful when you walk the streets. Here, handphones and bags away from the vehicles. There are scams, there are snatch thieves. 2 guys on motorbike, the one in front ride the motorbike, the one behind snatch your wallet. Your belongings, and sometimes the victims fall down and get injured. And the motorcyclists, the bad people just run away. So walk here as far as possible away from the oncoming traffic, and think you'll be fine. Be alert of the surroundings. Anyway, if you don't wear the helmet, it's illegal in Vietnam, so I think they'll be fine. We have arrived at the Van Han Mall, so it's a very big mall. I'm going to do a walking tour here. Subscribe and enjoy the video, and give a like and share so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys again next video. Take care everyone, and bye bye.